J-75322-2. We're accessing the sewer through a 3.5-inch clean-out T located on a 4-inch cast iron stack towards the back of the home. Counter's at 93 feet, looking at the flow of the city main. Branch off the city main is a PVC pipe. Transition from PVC to 6-inch clay at about 91 feet. About 89 to 90 feet here. We have just a little white mass at the bottom, possibly grease built up on top of a root penetration. Very small root intrusion present here at 81 feet. Not much growth currently. Another mass at 79, possibly grease buildup and toilet paper on top of a root intrusion, but unknown for certainty. Just some loose debris in the pipe. Maybe, again, debris snagged on at about the, I would say the 3 to 5 o'clock position. There might be a root mass that's snagging that debris there. 78. Very tiny root at about the 7 to 8 o'clock position. For sure a root mass with grease buildup on it at 71. Let's say more of a larger mass. Another grease buildup, possibly on roots at 69. For sure, roots with grease buildup at 68. Another grease mass at the 8 to 9 o'clock position there at 60. Possibly roots behind it. This looks like some toilet paper buildup. Doesn't appear to be at a joint, so it's likely loose, but just sitting around. And just ahead of us at that joint at about 56, small root penetration. Root tail here at 44, very fine one. Possibly another root tail behind grease there at 42. Small roots at 32. Transition from 4-inch cast iron in the house to 6-inch clay at 32. Very heavily scaled cast iron. Bottom looks quite flat, indicating a lot of buildup on the piping. Also of note, we see a lot of channeling and shelving here. Cooling water with nothing running. Pretty decent view of it there. See the shelving on the left-hand side there, as well as pooling. Very irregular surfaces, very flat bottom. Persistent pooling and shelving along the way. Pooling continuing, shelf formations visible again. Going through a Y junction, branching off, pooling continuing, shelf formations visible as well. Pooling starting to taper off, bottom is very flat. Here we have a good example of a nice radius bottom to the pipe here, as well as no water sitting in the pipe at that spot. Going up the base of the stack, the stack appears to be a Y on its back, with the laundry and possibly floor drain on the run of the Y. Access through the 4-inch cast iron stack through a 3.5-inch clean out plug.
He said it's